So what's up guys? This is Cadet Trojan Winnie Marpori, and on this video I'm going to show you on how to calculate the parallel sailing in navigation. So first uh, I'm going to show you the problem. So a ship traveled from A is 50 degrees 25 minutes north and 048 degrees 20 minutes west, and reach B to 50 degrees 25 minutes north to 38 degrees west. So find the distance covered by here. So let's start guys. Let's solve this problem in parallel sailing. A ship traveled from A is 50 degrees 25 minutes north to 048 degrees and 20 minutes west, and reach to be 50 degrees 25 minutes north 38 degrees west. So find the distance covered by hair. So guys, as we can see, the latitude are same, so that's why it is called parallel sailing. If a vessel is parallel sailing, so we have to use this formula. The departure equals belong times cos latitude. So next we have to find the D-long. So the problem solving, we have 48 degrees and 20 minutes west, and in B we have 38 degrees 00 minutes west. So it's find the D-long. So if you can see, they were in the same position in west according to the problem. So obviously the vessel is going easterly, so let's put it as easterly. So we have 10 degrees and 20 minutes. So we have it 600 minutes because of 10 degrees, so we're going to 600. So plus 20 minutes equals 620 minutes S. Then next, let us find the departure. So departure equals 620 times cos latitude, which is, in problem we have 50 degrees and 25 minutes north. So let's solve the departure by scientific calculator. So it will be 620 times cos latitude times 50 degrees and 25 minutes equals 395. So if you can see, 395 is our answer. So put if equals 395 minutes east. So since the vessel is doing parallel sailing, so we put it on final equals departure equals distance equals 395 nautical miles. So that's the answer. That's all.